and this is the tutorial 10. In this video, we are building one of the most valuable business automations, lead generations, using n10. This workflow will automatically collect, organize, and manage leads without manual effort. You will learn how data flows from sources into a structured system and how automation boosts conversions. This setup is useful for marketers, founders, and sales teams. So, what are you waiting for? Let's build a smart lead generation workflow. Click the Create Workflow button, click on the workflow name and rename it to Lead Generation. After renaming, click the Build with AI button. Type a prompt. I want to create a lead generation workflow. Press Enter to submit the prompt. Wait for the AI to generate the workflow nodes automatically. Click on the Gemini chat model node. In the credentials, select Google Gemini PALM API account. After this, select the Gemini 2.5 Flash model. Click on the code node, convert AI output to text. Click on the Google Sheets. Open a new tab and go to Google Sheets. Create a new blank spreadsheet. Rename the sheet to lead generation. Click on the chat trigger node. After this, click on test chat. In the chat window, type generate lead on tuition classes in Mumbai. Before we go forward, I want to say something. Every workflow and details are provided in the description box. So first, make sure you will check it out. Thank you. Select the lead generation document and sheet 1. Add the header columns or fields like company name, industry, email, phone, decision maker, company size, location, and notes. Switch back to the N10 tab. Take a screenshot of the field spreadsheet. Go back to the N10 chat and type another prompt. Verify new data in Google Sheets. Press on send. Wait for the workflow to execute. Now, click on Execute step on the Google Sheets node. Switch to the Google Sheets tab to verify the data has been added. Okay, go back to N10 chat and ask for generate lead on cheap factory in India. Verify new data in Google Sheets. Click Save in the top right corner. And as usually, toggle the workflow to inactive to active. And that's how you automate lead generation using N10. Workflows like this can scale your businesses and save countless hours. In the next video, we will build another powerful automation. Until then, this is Become Lab. Enjoy and learn and keep growing with tech beyond expectations.